from the THARAKA Women Welfare Program. George Kinywaka Imba is a lecturer at Jomo Kenyatta University of Science and Technology. Amos Boto from Kengen. Kennedy Gitonga is a businessman. Peti Kimireti, former MP. Nithi constituency and assistant minister. George Njoroge Roego, THARAKA Nithi County Government. Edward M. Agenda, Kenya National Academy of Science. We also want to recognize the big team from the National Environment Management Authority, Bwana Mamo, the CEO, for support. This function would not have been here if we didn't accept, so I don't take it for granted. I give a lot of regards to him. We have Emilio Mugo, the chairperson. We have Sophia Matura, the vice chairperson. We have Dr. Joyce Kipkoril, board member with NEMA. We have John M. Kimondiu, is a board member. We have Dr. Paul Mwaura, is a board member. We have Amos Andama, is a board member. We have Honorable McLean Sitati, a board member. We have Lina Meme, Alternative Director PS of Environment, and all other members of NEMA. They came in a very big bus. They have also given me an attire, so today I'm not in a tie. I have changed the way I dress. Otherwise, we have many guests, including our governor, Dr. Kabishani, Chief Officer Kaire, and Director Sub-County. We have many admins, and we really want to appreciate all of you. And we want to ask that this friendship we have started with NEMA should not end today. We hope that we can do some projects together. Why can't we even build a center to address matters of climate, especially in the ASO areas at THARAKA University. Otherwise, asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. I'll take the other board members and also invite our Chancellor, Professor Atemo Mishieka, to give his remarks. Asanteni sana.
Our chief guest for today, the CS, thank you. Let me repeat that. Our chief guest for today, CS, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Climate Change, and Forestry, together with the PS in the same ministry, Dr. Festus Ngeno, the County Governor for THARAKA Nithi County, Your Excellency Muthoni Njoki, together with the Senator for the county, Honorable, we know more fire. That has become your name. The county woman representative, Honorable Susan Goge, Mwendi, and all the others. Allow me to adopt the protocols observed earlier. The team from NEMA, I don't want to take time to go through what the VC has already said. Mine is very brief because of our time. I'm here to say that we are honored to be trusted by the government of Kenya to be stewards of this institution on behalf of the government. I've had the privilege of serving here as the chair of council almost now for the last 6 years, going to 7 actually, and we are honored to be able to do this. This is the second best public university in the country. This is from the performance contracting that we've been doing. There's an institution without any debts, there's an institution without any pending bills, and we try to do everything, like was said, with the highest level of integrity. I'm honored to lead a council. I'll just introduce them very quickly. We have Dr. Jemima Onsare. They will just stand where they are because of time. They represent the PS, Department of Higher Education. We have also, in absentia, Madam Isabel Joy Ochieng, who represents the National Treasury. She's not here. She's traveling internationally. We have Mr. Joshua Mongania, council member as well, who is also chair of our audit committee. We also have Dr. Solomon Muntet. He's also a council member and chair of our finance committee. We have Mrs. Esther Michieka. That last name should be familiar. She's been a council But with me and I have served the longest here, and thank you very much. He chairs also a HR committee, and Mr. Elias Noor, also a council member. He chairs as well a committee that looks into the matters of infrastructure. We are doing a lot of development here and the business of the university. And finally, and not last, Mrs. Grace Onyango Kamasara, also a member of the council. Thank you very much. I will not go into any other further speeches because we have a lot of people to speak. Welcome to the THARAKA University. I had one more task, which is to appreciate and also welcome our Chancellor. This event would not have been here in some ways without his interest in this area. As we know, he is one of the leading figures in the area of environment, and he has done a lot already for the university since his appointment last year. We are very honored to have you, sir. Please kindly take the podium.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Really, give a clap to the chairperson, please. Really. Your Excellencies, Madam Daktari, our CS, Senators, Governor, PS, allow me really to stand on the protocol already established and to say this. Number one, thank every one of you who has really come here to give us support. This is a World Day celebrated from Mexico to Argentina to Thailand to Samoa, New Guinea, worldwide. And it's an honor for Kenya, Madam CS, to have really come to this university so quickly, so timely, and I really thank MAMO and the NEMA, Environmental Institute of Kenya, which are here, plus many others, Kenya Forestry that has come, perhaps not mentioned, but simply say, I used to be Director General, Madam CS, National Environment Management Authority those days. And we tried laying out regulations for how to run this country without any pollutants of any kind, and pollution of this particular nature we are talking today. Plastics was part of it. Mine is to simply finish this. The university, Vice Chancellor, the chair, the council, students, let us preach this, go to it, and keep on remembering what those who say it here, the devs, were actually saying. I wish us the best. I do know there shall be speeches from United Nations. That is how important reach out that Kenya celebrated its World Environment Day in the university called THARAKA University, in an account called THARAKA Nithi, and the senator and all his team plus governors were there, and our PS, whom I met and actually promised me in Nairobi that, sir, I shall come. You are all welcome. Stay put, stay enjoying, go out, preach that particular message we say as we go to the homes. Wish you happiness, wish you well. Let this university be one of the best. And my guys, I invite the Vice Chancellor, you are right. I really went out lobbying and chair for us to have it here. Every university wanted to have this particular day in their place, and I really thank NEMA, MAMO. I did employ MAMO, he hasn't said that, but I wish you well. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Thank you.
Na tupigieni makofi tafadhali. Asante sana Profesa. Mgeni wetu wa heshima, baada ya kupata taswira kamili kutoka kwa wakuu wetu na waliotangulia, nataka kwa njia speciali niweze kutambua kikundi cha wazee ambao wako hapa, wazee wa Njori Ncheke. Naomba tusimame, mgeni wetu wa heshima ajue pia wazee wa THARAKA Nithi wanashiriki kwa pamoja au ni wazee wa Njori Ncheke. Wapigiwe makofi tafadhali. Asanteni sana. Njori Ndekorie. Njori Ndekorie. Asante sana, naomba tuketi. Na tukifika hapo, mgeni wetu wa heshima, niruhusu niweze kumwalika County Commissioner wetu Bwana Gitonga aweze kuendelea na ratiba kutoka hapo sasa.
Thank you very much, MC. Our Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, the Principal Secretary, the Governor, THARAKA Nithi County, Chancellor, THARAKA University, Vice Chancellor, senior government officers from all the state departments represented. I can see Charin Ruto, CEO, SMAC, all invited guests. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm David Getonga, County Commissioner, THARAKA Nithi. Our guests allow me to take this opportunity to introduce our foot soldiers. Whenever all of you are walking in Nairobi under the places, there are some people who are silently on the ground doing the kind of policies you're making, that government policies and programs are implemented. And I've heard one of the speakers saying that what people requires is to be informed about the government policies, the issues about climate, the pollution as regard the plastics. Madam, with your permission, I take this opportunity to convey the apologies of the Regional Commissioner. As you are aware, the government currently is rolling out the Climate Resilience Service Program, Climate Works. It has been going on in Nairobi. Now it has been spread all over the country. This is the kind of work we're doing to ensure that we clean our environment. We're working on loans and infrastructure. We're working on environment, housing, and urban development. And I take this opportunity to let everyone know that the program is on. It is online application. It will be for people at the age of 18 to 35, the youth. And also we're giving the disabled a chance to apply if they're over 35 years. So, Madam, hatuna mengi, tunachapa kazi. Whenever the NEMA guys, they are moving around trying to enforce the policy on no plastics, we have to work as a team to ensure that we are able to implement it. We also have the environment committees, and we're doing quite a lot of it. We're working together with the county government. There's nothing we do which does not involve them. Whatever they are doing, we work together as a team to ensure that we're able to deliver. So when it comes to the issues of forest, Madam, I can see you are here. It is part of your department. We're doing very well. We cannot even say that we've been able to, hatujamaliza, bado tunabakisha. Lakini ningetaka kukuambia kwa ile 15 billion tulipewa, tayari tushagonga 400 ile yetu tulikuwa tumepewa hapa THARAKA na tumeluka na zaidi ya 300. So we are grateful, and without wasting much ado, bless you all.
Environmental events, my principal secretary, Engineer Dr. Ngeno, representative of the PS Forestry, Mr. Tarus, County Commissioner THARAKA Nithi, and the Ngao leadership, Chancellor THARAKA Nithi University, my mentor, Professor Atemo Micheka. He employed me at NEMA in 2004. This is now my 21 years in NEMA. Vice Chancellor, my friend Professor Peter Muringi, Chair, NEMA Board of Management, Mr. Emilio Mugo, and NEMA Board members present, all board chairpersons, heads of department from our ministry, representative of private sector, members of the boards, members of the fourth state, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, God is good and all the time. Thank you. Let me first take this opportunity on behalf of NEMA to welcome you all to this global celebration, commemoration of the World Environment Day 2025. And before I give my remarks, I want to introduce the heads of departments, or rather sagas of our ministry. Kindly stand up. The CEOs of sagas of the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change, and all the CEOs from government departments, kindly be upstanding. Mr. Sampson is the CEO of the Net Fund, National Environment Trust Fund. Mary is National Environment Compliance Committee CEO, Asante Sana. Our friend from Kenya Forest Service, thank you so much. Let's appreciate them. The CEOs and heads of private sector, kindly stand up. Let's appreciate you, all our valued stakeholders. Tusimame wote. Then we have the National Steering Committee members who took time to prepare for this commemoration. All of the National Steering Committee and Local Steering Committee led by the County Commissioner, please be upstanding to be appreciated. Hawa ndio walitusaidia kutengeneza sherehe mzuri waziri. Asanteni sana, thank you so much. All the NEMA staff, directors, deputy directors, wote musimame, we appreciate you. Let's appreciate NEMA team. Asanteni sana. Our chief guest today, THARAKA County, and our host, THARAKA University, is on the global map today, this morning, as the national venue for the commemoration of this World Environment Day. If you Google UNFCCC website, you will see THARAKA County Governor and THARAKA University as the national host. And I want to congratulate the leadership of the county, His Excellency the Governor Mudhomi, and the university leadership led by Professor Peter Muringi. Congratulations. Chief guest, as we celebrate this important day today, the global community is faced by unprecedented triple planetary crisis, starting with the climate change, which is an existential threat and is real. Because most people think that climate change is hoax. Climate change is real. You can see devastating drought, flooding, and all those climate crises. We are facing unprecedented threat to humanity. Number two, the second triple planetary crisis is biodiversity loss. You can see land degradation, the production potential of our country going down because of degradation and desertification. And lastly, pollution. The plastic pollution is a major issue. During this World Environment Day celebration, Your Excellency, our focus should be on solution to plastic pollution. We're having a lot of challenge, and the goal is to end plastic pollution globally. Kenya has emerged as a continental leader in matters of environment, leading with other African countries with the ban of plastic carrier bags in 2017. As government, we've put in place a robust legal framework looking at our constitution from the fourth preamble of the constitution to Article 42. Fourth preamble talks about respectful of the environment, which is our heritage, a priceless heritage which must be preserved for now and future generations. Article 42 of our constitution, because our constitution is a very progressive green constitution. Article 42 gives us, each and every citizen of this country, a right to live in a clean, healthy, and secure environment. But those rights come with responsibility. As we say haki yetu, because Kenyans want to say haki yetu, we forget about jukumu letu as citizens of this country to ensure we enhance the quality of our environment. We have enacted a number of regulations, laws, starting with Sustainable National Waste Management Act 2022, which essentially would have transitioned us from linear waste management to circular model of waste management. We have enacted EPR, Extended Producer Responsibility, where we make producers of this product responsible. They take responsibility for ensuring that they manage the waste that arise from the product that they introduce into our country. Despite all this robust legal framework and legislation, our country is still facing a lot of plastic pollution. What could be the reason? The reason is, it is our attitude towards the environment. Everybody wants to litter the environment. As citizens, Waziri, we have this what we call throwaway culture. If you look down there, all the wrappers, plastic wrappers will be down there. Because we've learned it just to throw things out. You could be driving behind a very silly car. Somebody will just roll down the window and throw away the waste. You are the waste generator. You must take responsibility for the waste. It is our individual and collective responsibility. The challenge of plastic that we have, plastic is very cheap, it's versatile, is a very ubiquitous material. Everybody uses it, but nobody wants to manage it. It's readily available. So I want to call upon our citizen that we should provide the solution. We are the solution. We know waste management is a devolved function governor, and I know most counties are currently facing challenge of solid waste management. But I'm glad to report that THARAKA County is among the first county that is going to set up what we call material recovery facilities. Let's congratulate Governor and the team. We've already cleared them for environmental and social impact assessment, and I think next time we'll come here to officially open material recovery facility for THARAKA County. Waste management challenge, Your Excellency, Honorable Waziri, can be turned into opportunities to create green jobs in recycling, in composting. It has the potential to open doors to thousands of employment opportunities, especially for our youths and the women. Number two, sustainable waste management has the potential to promote circular economy by turning waste into valuable resources to foster economic growth. Let's leverage on this existing opportunity to create green jobs in the plastic industry and ensure that we all live in a clean, healthy, and secure environment as provided for in our Constitution. As NEMA, we remain committed to the vision of a green, healthy, and secure environment for all. Honorable Waziri, as I conclude, I wish to call upon our private sector to innovate and design eco-friendly and secure environment for all. Honorable Waziri, as I conclude, I wish to call upon our private sector to innovate and design eco-friendly products by reducing the content of plastic in their products. Two, I call upon to be environmentally conscious citizens by reducing the use of plastic in their daily life or refusing the use of single-use plastics in our daily life. Two, to the university community to promote public education and create awareness on plastic pollution. To the county government of THARAKA, it's an opportunity to create a plastic-free county, a plastic-free markets, and a plastic-free town. It is doable. To all of us, kindly let's walk the talk. Let's walk the talk. Stop littering the environment. We stop the throwaway culture, and let's protect our environment, the Mother Earth. We do not have planet B. This is the only planet. It is our life, our individual and collective responsibility. I thank you all. Now it's my singular duty to invite my chairman, NEMA Board of Management, Mr. Emilio Mogo, to speak to you. Karibu sana, chairman.
Thank you very much, DG. Our chief guest today, the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, Dr. Deborah Baraza. I have only two functions as I stand before you today. The first one is to deliver a short message on this very important day. But secondary is to introduce the board members who are here, the ones whom you have given the responsibility of oversighting the environment sector in this country. So I will request the board members from NEMA. I also saw the chairman of the National Environment Complaints Committee, because I don't know whether he's going to have another chance. If you can quickly come forward so that you can say your names, I deliver the speech, and that will be the end of it with the indulgence of our chief guest. Board members also, just follow up. Chair, National Environment Complaints Committee, please introduce yourself.
Thank you very much, Chairman NEMA. Madam CS, Governor THARAKA Nithi, and all the guests. My name is Godana Doyo, Chairman, National Environmental Complaints Committee.